If you're thinking about buying Trainual for your business, you'll want to know these 7 things before making the leap. Trust me, you'll want to stick around to the end because I'm going to dive into some aspects that could make or break your decision. First off, let's talk about what Trainual really offers compared to competitors like Lessonly or Talent LMS. Trainual is built for team training, and its simplicity sets it apart. While other platforms can feel bulky or overcomplicated, Trainual focuses on ease of use, which means you don't need a technical background to set it up. If you're looking for a tool that's quick to implement without the headaches, Trainual is often the go-to. Next thing, one of the standout features of Trainual is its ability to structure training content in a very organized way. You can build out a company-wide knowledge base by creating manuals, policies, and procedures that are easy for employees to access and follow. It's not just about uploading documents like other platforms. You can embed videos, images, and quizzes to engage your team, which leads to better retention. The learning paths are also customizable, ensuring that your new hires or current employees get exactly what they need when they need it. This makes Trainual a powerful tool for onboarding and training, especially compared to something like Lessonly, which may require more hands-on management for these types of customizations. The third thing is integration. Trainual integrates seamlessly with other software you're probably already using, such as Slack, Google Drive, and Zapier. For anyone who's worked with training software before, you'll know how frustrating it can be when your tools don't talk to each other. With Trainual, integrations are a breeze, saving you tons of time when you need to pull in resources from other apps or share training materials with your team. Now, the fourth thing you need to know is that Trainual has a robust reporting system. It allows you to track employee progress in real time, which is crucial for identifying areas where people might be struggling or where the training material needs adjustments. This is something I've found lacking in other platforms like Talent LMS, where the reporting can feel more basic and harder to interpret. The fifth thing to consider is pricing. Trainual's pricing is competitive, especially for the value it provides. You'll find that their pricing model is tiered, so you're only paying for what you need. It's ideal for businesses of all sizes, but if you're comparing it to other training platforms like Lessonly or WorkRamp, you'll notice that Trainual's pricing structure feels more straightforward and transparent. Plus, they offer a free trial, so you can test the waters without committing. Moving on to the sixth thing, Trainual offers excellent customer support. If you run into issues or need assistance, they have live chat, email, and even a self-help knowledge base with plenty of resources to guide you. This level of support is a real bonus, especially when compared to other platforms where customer support can sometimes be slow or unhelpful. The seventh thing, and this is a big one, is scalability. Whether you're a small startup or a large enterprise, Trainual can grow with you. Unlike some tools that become cumbersome as your team expands, Trainual is built to scale without losing its ease of use. It's also great for keeping everything organized across departments, ensuring that as your company grows, your training process remains streamlined and effective. If you're interested in giving Trainual a try, you can click the first link in the description below for the best free trial available and some exclusive benefits. You don't want to miss out on that. So if you're ready to make your team training more effective and organized, Trainual might just be the perfect fit for your business.